People no dey fear police again. Call your officers to order. Bishop Okosun to Edo CP. We no fit go outside electoral law. CP Yaro to Bishop Okosun. Vice Chairman of PDP Edo Central Senatorial District, Archbishop Dr. Anthony Okosun don talk to the Commissioner of Police CP Yaro Abutu, say make e call in officers to order, say dem dey allow politicians and thugs to do anyhow during elections. E con continue say make dem give dem better informate and discipline as e be so politicians dey fear soldiers and they no dey respect the police again.
Why has the morale of the policemen gone down? Please call them. They are not women. They stand there, 5 policemen will stand in a booth, talks, cut his boys. We come and be fighting. And we see the young girl of 27, a police officer, we stand aside. When you see officers in trouble, we say, I beg you, not for Samuel. I know why you there. But let siren of a soldier blows into the field. You see every place will be calm. Please educate the policemen. They are there as police officers. They should act as police officers. They are not a cop. They are not butter. They are police officers. Once that discipline is there, all these politicians without integrity with their country boys. One person is coming to vote, about 200 boys are following him, sharing their hair, plaited hair, creating problems everywhere, and policemen will stand aloof looking at them. Let there be discipline. Hot fire requires hot water, so that there will be action in this election coming. Do not trust the politicians. 99% of them have no integrity. They are there to fight and reign. Therefore, policemen should be ready to make sure there's no ringing, no fighting, no cutting, no thuggery in every station.
He talk this one for meeting wey CP Yaro do with dem ogbonge leaders for PDP and PDP aspirants for Benin City. Abutu con shook mouth on top the matter, say police dey follow wetin dey the electoral law and they no fit use force for anything wey concern election matter. He con promise say dem still dey learn and dem go improve. Na why dem call this meeting so that they fit know how dem go collabo with dem politicians to do the work better.
Electoral security is a regulated security services. Security at elections is regulated. Under our electoral law, how the police react to situations and circumstances are clearly spelled out. It doesn't really call for overbearing use of force. We agree that all of us in third world countries are still developing, making attempts to improve on almost all aspects of human endeavor. This is still one of them. And one of the ways of improving on our human endeavor can be demonstrated or is being demonstrated by this engagement. So this, what we are doing today itself, is still part of the improvement processes of our security management techniques in Nigeria and in Edo State. So we'll continue to improve. So as part of the electoral security improvement strategy is what we are doing here. By letting you, the people, you, the actors, to have a wider scope in understanding and appreciating election security. And I believe, as we go along, the kind of fear that was narrated by the Archbishop may not be there this time around, because we are continuously improving our mind, upscaling our engagement, and try to open a wider picture of understanding of the situation.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News.